Hi there, fellow homebodies. My name is Sam, and happy Thanksgiving week. To kick it off, I'd like to start by sharing with you how to make some cake pops, and we've got some Thanksgiving-inspired ones. I have a chai spice cake with pumpkin decoration, as well as one that's a turkey. Let's go ahead and build these together. To start off our cake pops, we're going to get our cake. I just used box mix to streamline things, and we're also going to get some frosting, also ready to use. You can make these things from scratch if you'd like. So what I'm going to do is get my already baked cake made per the box instructions, and I'm going to just break it down until it's a crumb-like consistency, and then I'm going to mix it with my frosting until it's a nice Play-Doh type of texture so that I can mold it and shape it into a ball and have it actually hold that shape before we dip it in our chocolate. I'll tell you the reason I'm not telling you a specific amount of cake and a specific amount of frosting to use, because it's going to vary depending on the type of cake and the type of frosting. They're all going to have different consistencies and densities there, so you're just going to have to, go back and forth with mixing and just check the texture as you go. Go ahead and start shaping it into my actual pop. So I'm going to use a cookie scooper just to try to keep everything as uniform as possible. I'm really going to pack it in here. Just make sure it's nice and dense and can hold its shape. We are shaped into balls or pops. I'm going to go ahead and grab some sticks here. We're going to be dipping them in chocolate. Okay, and this is going to help us. This is melted chocolate. Okay, and this is just to kind of help lock it into place into our pop. We're gonna start decorating. I'm gonna use my round candy melts. I'm gonna see if I can make these look like little turkeys. So I'm gonna coat it and then try to stick some little eyeballs on. And then once it's dry, I can try to get a little face on here. we're gonna do orange candy melts. Try to make it look like pumpkins. Some orange candy melts here. I'm going to do my best to try and draw a little beak. I'm going to do a little detail work on my pumpkins. These are our finished little turkeys. For my finishing touch on my pumpkins, I'm just going to add little stems on top over here. Pumpkins. Done.